Okay, here's the A6M5c Zero Fighter Type 52C from Academy. It's a 1/72 scale, and we'll be building this in the future. It's a fairly small kit, so it doesn't have a whole lot of pieces in it, but it should be fun to build. Here's some of the parts. There's a few. Here comes the fuselage, one half. There's the other half. The rudder. Looks like a bomb there. Let's turn it over and see what the other side looks like. Got the wing. Like I said, doesn't look like the oh, that's the prop, part of the prop, the nose cone. That should be the wheel covers. Part of the engine. It looks like the wheels for it. I see the propeller on the other side. I said, shouldn't be too many parts. It should actually be a fun build. Let's move that out of the way. Bring the manual in here. Zero Fighter. First page, or first step, I guess I should say. Second step. Should have folded out. My bad. Third step. Fourth step. Fifth step. Not sure. Oh, that's the color flat black. Paint it flat black. Sixth step. Seventh step. I'm not sure the part count, but it can't be that many pieces. Putting the bombs on. I don't know if there's anything on the other page or not. Oh yeah, it should have, yeah, here we go. Here's the painting and decal placement. Got these at a really good price, so I actually bought 2 of them. Okay, this should be a fun kit to buy. This should be a fun kit to build. Hope you enjoy it. All right, this is what comes in the kit for the Zero Fighter 52C. Took the sprues out of the packages so we could see a little bit better what comes on each sprue. And I didn't know there were 3 sprues in this either, which is kind of cool actually. So looks like there's the bombs. Part of the landing gear, wings, wheels, motor, clear pieces, and then back to the entire contents of the box, except of course the X-Acto knife.